My ex-lover. My name is Emma. I am 26 years old now. I live only with my mother. My mom and I live happily. I work in a hospital. I'm a nurse. I do my job with great passion. During work, I've met many different kinds of people. Some are good, some are bad, but I treat everyone with compassion. Many people say I am the kindest nurse in our hospital. My daughter, one day my mom and I were sitting on a bench in the yard sipping hot coffee. These days it's quite cold, so we often drink coffee. While my mom was talking to me, I looked at her. You should start thinking about marriage now, dear. My mom said she always says that to me. But I never had any interest in getting married. Let's see, mom. I said that just to avoid the question. You should forget the past now and find someone who truly suits you, dear. She said as she went back inside. I let out a deep sigh. I too had a past I couldn't forget. I too had someone I loved. His name was Jack. We were in love for years. Jack only had his aunt as family. His aunt didn't like the idea of him marrying me. So I separated from Jack. I don't even know what Jack is doing now. I never loved anyone again, so I remained single. I also got very busy with work. That's why I never had time to think about love again. Time slowly passed. One day, a young man who had met with a car accident was brought to our hospital. He wasn't badly injured, so it was my job to treat his wounds. As I walked toward the ward, I saw the man lying on a bed from a distance. His leg was slightly injured. But what surprised me was that it wasn't just anyone, it was Jack. Jack too looked shocked as he stared at me. Emma, is that you? Jack spoke to me. I smiled and started treating his wound. How long has it been since we last met? Jack said. I just looked at him without saying anything. Are you working here now? When Jack asked, I nodded yes. Emma, are you married? Jack asked sadly. No, Jack, I never loved anyone again. Emma, I couldn't love anyone else either. When Jack said that, I felt an unexpected happiness inside me. Emma, it's still not too late. I still love you, Emma. Let's get married. Jack, your aunt will never approve of me, I said with a heavy heart. My aunt is married now and lives in another country, Emma. She's never coming back. Now there's no one to stop us, Emma. When Jack said that, I looked at him with great joy. Jack gently took my hand. Emma, will you marry me? When Jack asked that, I smiled and placed my hand over his. Jack held both my hands with so much love.